Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the battery. Check percentage, cycle count, and age so you know baseline health. Once done, lower volume and disable heavy DSP features because they draw current quickly. Make sure to enable any built-in power saving or eco modes and disconnect aux or USB devices you're not using. They can act as parasitic drains. By doing these first steps, you immediately reduce consumption and set the stage for deeper improvements. Now focus on deeper optimizations. Change Bluetooth codec and lower bitrate if your speaker and source allow it, because higher codecs and bitrates increase processing load. Next, optimize charging behavior. Use the manufacturer-recommended charger and avoid leaving the speaker on continuous trickle charge, which stresses battery chemistry. Also update firmware and improve ventilation. Cooler components run more efficiently. Together, these measures reduce steady-state power draw and slow capacity loss while maintaining acceptable audio quality. Finish by calibrating the battery. Charge to full, then run the speaker down to near off, and charge fully again to help the battery meter read correctly. Then limit peak draws, avoid using microphone, lighting effects, or heavy bass presets at the same time. Peaks waste energy. If runtime still lags, test battery voltage with a multimeter or try an alternate charger. If problems persist, consider professional battery replacement. Faulty cells are the most common hard limit to backup improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.